melted.
Why is melted like that?
Whole nother weight class. Let homie know we ain't playing it fair. First off the plane to the trap, yeah. I'm trying to beat up the pay. Monday through Sunday, I'm running up racks. I be wherever it's at, yeah. I be wherever it's at. I be wherever it's at, yeah. I be wherever.
What's good, auntie? It's your girl Ricarockettt, and I'm back with another banger. And you already know, we outside. And we are headed to Alpar, and I will be back when. Oh my goodness, can they go? What are they doing? And I'm gonna be back when I get there, so y'all can see exactly what's going on, what's going down. Stay tuned. We outside. So I just pulled up to Alpar Garage.
Yeah, Sirski. Okay, cute. Put a little.
Yeah. So give it a little smoke, you know. Yes, he just pulled the computer out. And you said what about the power on my car after the dyno we just did?
After that,
What was the power?
what was the plan? It did 323 to the wheels.
Stop. You heard that? Big stop. Ain't no stop no more. Ready? No.
Unlock it, put the tune in it, and see if we can pick you up like
Hey.
a little bit more horsepower.
Just a little, not a lot.
Just a little bit more.
Just a little smoke behind.
Make the slide a little bit easier.
Make the sliding a little bit easier. I'm weak. Why you going to my stuff? This what happened when you put the all for y'all. I'm weak. He said, what is all this shit back here?
I'm scared to see what else I'm gonna find back here.
What did you find? It's not even that bad. Ouch! It's not even that bad. Like, oh, that's the sliding cone, you know.
What is the cone?
When I'm at the legal pit. And yeah.
Yeah, that's for
That was on the boots.
yeah, I don't know. You gotta, just you gotta change the tire.
Yeah.
Racer.
Get your AutoZone jack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lift about 4,000 pounds.
Got your stumping out boots.
Yep, my stump out boots. Just in case.
The other stump out boots.
Yep.
You got 2 sets of jumper cables?
Yeah.
That's the first one don't work.
Yep. Always gotta be prepared. Look.
Alright, look, it's not raining no more, so when you're done, you can go out there and hit a couple donuts.
Let's look at my tires. Oh, wait. Got a little something on there. What's that?
I don't know what the hell that was.
Oh,
Spare tire.
the things you find in Rika's
What is-
Ricarockett's
What
trunk.
is this? Why is
Oh my
That's
god.
the radio fuse?
that bitch
Yes.
is melted?
Why is melted like that?
What did you do?
I don't know.
Oh, damn donut. You got caught up to her.
Donuts
You
ain't got
fuse
nothing
in
to do
your
with
pocket.
that.
Oh, I think
You got his pocket.
This nigga mechanic.
He said I keep that thing
The whole
on me.
thing blown down.
Oh my god, I don't know.
It's not from my starlights. They be hating on me. Let's take a look. Oh, can't get into anything because there's no lights on in there. Is this a fresh tire? Cause let me find out. This is a fresh tire. Let me find out. We outside. We outside tonight, Draco. We outside. Okay, this is kind of. Is all of it melted, or is just that one?
Just that one fuse.
Okay.
Hopefully it's not too bad.
I'm not gonna try all part can't
Did you tap into something on the amp up there?
No, I didn't tap into anything.
Just started looking.
Ain't no job that All Part can't do for you guys.
You know what I'm saying? Back in the day.
He just put me back in the game. Got my.
Tapped in with Grandpa.
Only when we
Grandpa
drunk.
Jimmy.
Only when we drunk. That's how they get every night. They don't drink. They ain't getting sober.
Pretty hot.
Let me see how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. Y'all gotta see his face.
It's like burnt rubber.
It's not burnt rubber. You know what? All of the rubbers that I got from burning rubber, I put into those. Yes.
That makes sense.
One of one. One of one. Ain't nobody got those.
Let me make sure I put the cone back in here.
Please.
Yeah, it's just fucked up for me.
Right, yeah.
I think you might still get the cone, but whatever.
I did-
Got that little paper. Nah, it's cool. Y'all got it. No problem.
We don't need it. I got a lot of junk in there already. You can use that for something, you know? I don't know. Smart. Make use of it. Now I want to be sunny outside.
All my shit out here.
Yeah. We at All Par. And he just said women can't drive.
Rico is the most amazing person I've ever met.
You can drive. So
I won't say the government name. I'll just say Rico.
Oh, wow. So y'all gonna put my government out.
No, I just say Rico.
Big Rico.
Period.
Big Rico.
Well, guys, there you have it. There you have it, Auntie. We are officially done at All Par Garage. And that thing is banging, okay? Make sure if you're looking to upgrade anything on your car, as in like power, make sure you hit up All Par. We outside, Auntie. And if you like this video and you like the type of content that I'm putting out, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to turn your notification bell on, Auntie. Don't play with her, okay? So that's it. That's all, Auntie. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget.